Today let us look at FS module provided by Node.js. Note that it's a built-in module of Node.js because reading and writing files and other file operations are very important, which is kind of crucial thing in real-time web development. So using FS object, we will call read file sync method and pass a HTML file name. That is, sorry, you can specify any file name. In our case, I'm specifying HTML file. Because it's a HTML file name, we are giving it in double quotes. If it's a variable, you could assign this file name to that variable and directly pass in that variable. The second parameter is the UTF-8, the character set, of course, and I'll output the content of our HTML file to the console window. I'll quickly write something here and let's execute this file using command prompt. It should output whatever is present in that index.html file. So this is about read file sync. What if we want to write? Well, I'll see here we have only two files. I'll copy the contents of index.html to another file by actually creating that file. For that, I'll make use of write file sync method of fs object. Well, it obviously takes two parameters, first one being the file name, the second one being the contents to be inserted. I'll have HTML here, that is copying whatever is present inside index.html file. Well, it actually returns undefined, I guess. Let's see what it returns. So it creates a file called satish.html and copies whatever is present inside index.html to it. Well, let us see if that file has been created in our folder, that is node. Yeah, that's been created. Let's open it and have a look at its contents. Yeah, exactly the same as the index.html. So this is how we create and write, that is read and write a file. Let's have a look at what are the other features provided by FS module. I'm sure it provides a bunch of it, like creating folders, creating files, opening, streaming, changing the file permissions, which is chmod, stats, checking if the file exists or not, reading file sync, closing, open, read only, write, truncate, renaming. Yeah, we have rmdir, data sync, fs. Well, let me try with mkdir. I haven't tried it actually. Let's see what happens. Mkdir is make directory, that is creating the directory. That's a function, I guess. Let's have a look. Well, it's present here, mkdir. Yeah, it's a function. Let's check how it works. I'll call mkdir, it's a function, and I'll pass the name of the directory I want to create. I'll give Satish. So let's comment this out and execute. Okay, let's check our directory and we have the folder here. Yeah, nice. Let me check one last thing out of this file server features. We have a lot of it. We have unlink here, link and unlink. Unlink means just it removes the file. I'll just go ahead and remove, that is delete satish.html from our directory. So this file has to be removed, which is unlink. Well, the folder already exists and we can ignore it because file exists already, the folder Satish exists. The thing is, the file satish.html has been removed. That's what we were checking for. It couldn't create a folder called Satish because it already exists. That's it. We could have checked if that folder exists, then ignore this statement. Well, there are a lot more of file server features you can implement inside your Node.js applications. Please try some of these things and share the code with us and what it does in the comment section of the article. The link to the article is present in the description section of this YouTube video. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. Stay subscribed to technotip.com, technotip.org and to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video on YouTube.